Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video will be an in-depth tutorial where we'll be showing you how to join the Puma affiliate program step by step so that you can start earning commissions by actively promoting their wide range of sportswear and accessories. Even if you already use Puma for athletic shoes and gear yourself, simply as an end customer, their affiliate program will allow you to additionally leverage your audience and make substantial money simply by referring other new customers to the Puma brand through your affiliate links. So let's dive in and cover everything that you need to know. Now, as affiliates, we have the opportunity to earn attractive sales commissions from Puma whenever we refer customers to their site through our very own special affiliate link. Puma's entire affiliate program across all regions is managed through CJ Affiliate, which is one of the largest, most reputable, and most advanced affiliate marketing tracking networks out there. CJ Affiliate provides the backend technology platform and sales tracking software that seamlessly connects advertisers like Puma to publishers like us as affiliates. Therefore, to join Puma's lucrative affiliate program specifically, we will first need to sign up for a completely free CJ affiliate account. Once you've signed up and registered on the CJ platform, we can thoroughly search for Puma within CJ's large global advertiser database, submit an application to Puma's program, and when approved, we can generate our own special Puma affiliate links so that we can share them online. Alright, so after logging into our new CJ Affiliate Publisher account, we would click on the Advertiser section, and now we have the searchable database of all the brand advertisers on their platform. From here we can search for Puma and we will find their various regional program listings. And that really is depending on a specific geographical location. So we may see options like Puma US or UK, UAE, Puma Canada, and much more. We should review each one of these program listings one by one closely to compare and see exactly what commission rates are being offered for each country and region. For example, the Puma UAE program pays out a very generous 10% commission rate specifically on sneaker sales only, whereas the Puma UK program pays a lower 2% commission across all products board. So based heavily on both our location as the affiliate but also on our target audience, we'll want to selectively choose the specific regional Puma affiliate program that is best suited to our website's traffic or social media followers, allowing us to maximize our earnings potential. We also need to carefully read Puma's program terms and allowed promotion methods. A lot of brands restrict promotional methods like coupon sites, paid advertising, email marketing, and social media marketing. So reading the terms is crucial to avoid violations that could lead to non-payments or even termination from the program. But for Puma specifically, we need to pay very close attention to any restrictions they mandate around types of content, influencer guidelines, and other program terms that dictate how we are permitted to publish our affiliate links. Moving forward, once we have officially applied to join Puma's program in our target region and been approved by their affiliate team, we can now navigate to the link section within our CJ affiliate dashboard. This is where we can leverage CJ's industry-leading link tracking and attribution technology to easily create unique Puma affiliate links pointing to any specific products we want to promote across their catalog. These special tagged links will properly credit any sales they drive back to our affiliate account, ensuring we get paid fully for any referred customers that end up purchasing products from Puma's online store after clicking on our link. So once we've been approved on Puma affiliate program and armed with our own tracked affiliate links, it's time to get active and start spreading the word about Puma products within their terms. We can share our Puma affiliate links across our website social media profiles like Instagram and Facebook, and also our YouTube channel. If you have any engaged audience traffic that aligns well with Puma's brand and products, then it is the perfect place to start sharing these links. However, yet again, it's crucial that we stay compliant by closely following Puma's specific program terms for our approved region when it comes to the allowed marketing methods and channels. And now for monitoring Puma referrals and commission earnings in CJ. As we drive visitors to Puma's site through our affiliate links and those visitors end up purchasing products, we'll be able to closely monitor and track all of our referral activity and monitor sales numbers within the reports section of our CJ affiliate dashboard. CJ's platform will compile all of our key affiliate metrics like clicks, impressions, sales conversions, commission amounts, and more in real time as our links generate results. For their part, Puma as the advertiser will pay out any commissions owed on confirmed sales to CJ affiliate on a monthly or bi-monthly basis depending on the program. CJ will then collate and deposit the owed commission into our account balance, which we can request to withdraw once the accrued earnings amount exceeds the minimum $50 payout threshold set by CJ. To securely receive our hard-earned commission payments seamlessly, we just need to make sure that our payment details are typed in correctly within the payment settings section of our CJ account. You can choose either direct deposit or Payoneer as our preferred payout method. And there we have it. These are the steps to joining Puma through CJ, getting approved as an affiliate, generating compliant links, and collecting payments. Let me know if you have any other questions all about getting started with the lucrative Puma affiliate program or leveraging the power of CJ affiliate. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new affiliate marketing tutorials that we'll be publishing soon.